Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sumit Quintessence. So yeah, I know it's been a long time I've posted any video of mine, but yeah, from now onwards I'll try to be continuous. So yeah, as you can see over the screen, I have recently drew this project of Ramji, and this is basically dedicated to Ayodhya Ram mandir. So please watch the video till the end. I'll explain the bits and pieces of this drawing. So yeah. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. So let's watch the video. So I have used Strathmore Bristol 270 GSM paper for this drawing of mine, and I'll be giving all the details regarding all the materials that I've used in this project in the description box. You can go ahead and have a check, and you will easily get all the materials on Amazon. Even I'll be giving the links to all the materials. So as you can see over the screen, I basically follow layering technique, which I have almost explained in all my previous videos. You can go and have a check. It's just like the more layer of graphite your project will have on the paper, the more realistic it will become. So at each layer, you have to use brush or blending stumps to mix the graphite on the paper smoothly. So whenever I draw any kind of project that include a facial expression or a face, right? I prefer to first draw eyes, then I go for the nose, and then finally the lips. And as you can see over the screen, as I said, you have to work in a layering manner. The first layer I have given using 2H, then HP, then 2B, and then as and when required, I'm using 4B pencil to put the proper darkness on the paper. So yeah, as you can see over the screen, this portrait of God Ramji requires a very smooth skin texture, right? So I have used almost everywhere on the face. I have used a circular motion technique for shading. Again, there are like multiple ways in which you can shade. We have cross hatching, we have hatching, we have circularism technique. uh, I have a dedicated video for all the techniques that we have, and this tutorial video will be basically for the beginners. So again, if you have not watched the tutorial and want to learn different ways in which you can shade, you can go and have a look. There is already a dedicated video on this. So yeah, as you can see over the screen, I have used layering manner here to shade it. First layer, it's basically 2H. Then the second layer I'm using, and it's HB mechanical pencil. And at every stage, I'm using brush to mix the graphite properly on the paper so that it will give more and more realistic look. And believe me, guys, it's my personal experience. Whenever you will go with the first and the second layer, your drawing will not look that much of good, and you will feel like it is not coming good and better. But as and when you will increase the layer in your drawing and portrait with lots of patience, your drawing will start becoming more and more realistic, as you can see over the screen. Just followed the same technique. Again said circular motion to put the first layer, and this is basically with 2H pencil. Then using cotton to mix it, and then I'll be increasing the darkness of the tone. So this is basically the technique to put and to set in a very proper way, which I personally follow. And if you will follow and do your portraits and drawing like this, believe me, guys, your portraits will become very much realistic. And as I said, right, this portrait requires very smooth texture. That is the reason I'm using mechanical pencil here, so that my strokes, circular strokes, become very, very smaller, and it looks very, very smooth. So yeah, as you can see over the screen, if you are not aware, I'm basically using a mechanical pencil also over here because it requires a smooth texture. So the most important thing whenever you do any kind of portrait, right, you need to have lots of patience and lots of concentration whenever you are doing these kind of detailing works. If you will hurry or if you will try to finish your drawing in hurry, obviously that will not have that much of effect. So yeah, have confidence and keep lots of patience whenever you do any kind of portraits. Follow the same technique as I said uh, in a layering manner, first with 2H, then HP, then 2B, then 4B, then 6B. Again and again, I'm repeating so that whoever is seeing this video for the first time or who are the beginners, it will be very easy to for them to understand the things. Uh, yeah, and whenever they do any kind of portraits or any kind of drawings, they will at least learn something and see how actually I'm doing, and they will get to know. So hope this video tutorial and time-lapse video tutorial is going to make you understand the process that I followed here, and this will definitely going to help you in your upcoming drawings. So you can see the level of detailing. Nowhere I've used hatching or press hatching technique to shade it. Everywhere it is circular motion or circularism technique to shade because the requirement of this project was to have a very smooth skin texture, as you can see over the screen. And whenever I'm blending the graphite also, right, either with the cotton or earbuds or blending stumps, I am again there using circularism technique. So just wanted to give one more tip. So whenever you do any kind of drawing, whether it is a big project or a small project, right, divide your entire reference picture into smaller sections and take one section and complete that, right? Don't hurry and don't hurry to finish the entire portrait in one go because it will not have that much of realistic look. So try to finish your portrait section by section. So this way you will feel like things are coming out slowly, but yeah, the ultimate result that you will get out of these will be like wonderful and you will be amazed to see the result. So now as you can see over the screen, I'm trying to do the background. So I basically follow this way. First I do the front portion of the picture and then I do the background. But yeah, there are like multiple ways you can draw your background as well. Many people prefer and they basically uh, draw the background first and then they go for the actual project. But yeah, for this drawing of mine, I have first done the front part of the project and then I've done the background. So yeah, here my project is almost completed. So I hope. uh, you will like this and you must have gained something out of this video. So please apply all the tips that I've shared into your project, your drawing, and do let me know how you find this drawing of mine. And like, share, and subscribe if you really like this video and time-lapse video tutorial. And do subscribe to my channel Sumit's Quintessence for similar kind of work. I'll be continuously uploading shorts videos, do's and don'ts, tutorials, and these kind of project works so that I can share my knowledge or even a small bit of knowledge to you all guys, and I'll feel myself very lucky to share whatever I know. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you like this, please do watch and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for Sumit from Sumit's Quintessence. Have a nice day.